Hey friends, welcome back to the Warrior classes. Today in this session, we are going to solve this interesting algebraic problem. And here the multiplication of ABC, that is 240. Then we have AB plus C is 46 and A plus BC is 64, where we have mentioned that A, B and C are positive integers. Then we'll have to find the value of A plus B plus C. Now let's start the video. For solving this, first of all, we'll let this expression, it is our equation 1 and this one as equation 2. Now the third one as equation 3. So now from here we can easily calculate the value of AB because we have the AB here. So we can calculate AB will be 240 divided by 240 divided by C. This is the value of AB. Now we'll put the value of AB in equation 2. So our equation 2 will be, in place of AB we'll write 240 divided by C, and here it is plus C, that is equal to 46. Now we'll simplify. It will be 240 plus C square and divided by C will be 46. Now for simplifying, we'll cross multiply it. So it will be 240 plus C square, that will be equal to 46C. Now we'll take this 46C in the left hand side. So it will be C square minus 46C plus 240, that is equal to 0. Now if you look at it, it is in the form of quadratic equation. Now for further solution of value C, we'll factorize it. So our factor will be C minus 6 multiplied by C minus 40, that is equal to 0. Now here multiplication of two factor is 0. Now we can write either first factor, that is C minus 6, that is equal to 0, or we can write C minus 40, that is equal to 0. Now from here the value of C will be 6, and for second term the value of C is 40. Now here we have calculated two values of C, 6 and 40. Now we'll put the value of C in equation 1. Then the value of AB will be value of AB when we'll put C is equal to first, that is 6. So the value of AB will be 240 and we'll divide by C, that is 6. Then the value of AB will be 40. Now for the second case, if the value of C, that is 40, if the C is 40, then the value of AB will be 240 divided by C, 240, and we'll divide by 40. C is 40, so the value of this term will be 6. So it is 6 here. Now if the value of C is 40, then the value of AB here we have calculated is 6. Now in the next step, we'll calculate the value of B after putting the value of C and A here. So look at here, our equation 3 is A plus BC, that is equal to 64. Now for the first case, it is our first case. So we can write A here will be 40 divided by B. So now we can write 40 divided by B, it is value of A. Now plus B multiplied by C here for the first case is C 6. So multiplied by 6 is 64. Now we'll simplify it. So it is 40 plus 6b square divided by b, and that will be 64. Now cross multiplying, then our equation will be 6b square plus 40, and that is equal to 64b. Now we'll take this 64b in the left hand side. So our equation will be 6b square minus 64b plus 40, that is equal to 0. Now if you look at it, it is in the form of quadratic equation, and we can take 2 common from here. If we'll take 2 common, then our equation will be 3b square minus 32b plus 20, that is equal to 0. Now from here the value of this term, this quadratic equation value will be 0. So we can write 3b square minus 32b plus 20, that is equal to 0. Now we'll factorize this quadratic equation, and its factor will be 3b minus 2 multiplied by another factor is b minus 10, that is equal to 0. Now here multiplication of two values is 0. So we can write either 3b minus 2, that is equal to 0, or b minus 10, that is equal to 0. Now from here the value of b will be 2 by 3, and here the value of b is 10. Now in the question it is mentioned that a, b and c are positive integers. So here we have calculated value of b is in fractions, so we cannot take this value. So the value of b will be 10. Now here for the first case we have calculated value of b, that is equal to 10, and if the value of b is 10 and AB is 40, then the value of A for the first case will be 4. So here the value of A, B and C we have calculated for the first case. Now we'll calculate for the second case. Here the value of C is 40 and AB is 6. Now from here we can calculate the value of A will be 6 divided by B. So it is 6 divided by B. Now we'll put the value of A and C here so that we can calculate the value of B. Now here for the second case, the value of a here is 6 by b, so it is 6 divided by b plus b multiplied value of c here is 40, so it is 40, that is equal to 64. Now we'll simplify this, so we can take LCM b and it will be 6 plus 40b square, 40b square, and that is equal to 64. Now in the next step we'll cross multiply it, so it is 6 plus 40b square, 40b square, that is equal to 64b, right? Now we'll take this 64b in the left hand side, then our equation will be 40b square minus 64b plus 6, that is equal to 0. Now it is in the form of quadratic equations and we can take 2 common from here. Now we'll take 2 common from here, so after taking 2, the equation will be 20b square minus 32b plus 3, that is equal to 0. Now we'll divide both sides by 2, then our quadratic equation will be 20b square minus 32b plus 3, that is equal to 0. Now in the next step we will factorize this quadratic equation, then our factor will be 10b minus 1, and another factor will be 2b minus 3, that is equal to 0. Now here multiplication of two factors is 0, so we can write either 10b minus 1, that is equal to 0, or we can write 2b minus 3, that is equal to 0. Now from here the value of b will be 1 by 10, and from here the value of b will be 3 by 2. So here we have two values of b, that both the values are in fractions, so we cannot take, as in the question they have mentioned that a, b and c are positive integers, so these two values are in fraction, so we will not take this expression. So here we cannot take the value of b here, so our one solution will be here, it is a is 4, b is 10 and c is 6. So now we can write a plus b plus c. Here we have calculated a is 4, b here is 10, b is 10, and plus c here is 6, so it is 6. Now the value of this term is 20, so here we have calculated the value of a plus b plus c is 20, and it's our answer. So friends, hope you have enjoyed the video. If you like the video friends, do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching the video.